Hello and welcome to Bell CB. Today we did a Raptor 2 for Tim in Nebraska. Did a tune-up for him, and I also put, see if that'll focus here, that little tiny switch, you see it there? I put that in there for him for a Kopy Kat module. It's a record and a playback, so you can hear someone off the air and play it back. And in his case, I've also wired it to where he can record himself. Like I did earlier. Okay, let's take a look at the tune-up report, and then when we go on the air to test it out, we'll record somebody and play it back then. Okay, so over here, let me put it on a 30-watt scale. Power all the way out. 15.5, 16 watts. Power on low. It's still a little over 4 watts. Okay, while I'm on low, let's look at the low peak power. That's a 100-watt slug. I expect it to be around down here, around the 20.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
And then if I put it in high power,
with a high carrier and high peak. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check.
a little over 80 watts there. Okay. Oops. Okay, so to record on here, Tim, you're going to flip the switch up and leave it up for as long as you want to record for, up to 18 seconds, and then put it back in the middle. When you want to play it out, just key your mic, flip the switch down. Or flip the switch down and key your mic. Okay, let's check it out. Put on the antenna. Let's record this guy. Put it on the dummy load a minute. Audio. Okay, so I got a little bit of that guy recorded, I think. So I push it down, keep it on. And this radio has talkback, so we can turn the talkback up. I got a little bit more of that. Okay, that's it. That's all we got for that one.